Today, I'm gonna try and do a backflip. Maybe I should think this through first though. How does a backflip actually work? You go up and you spin and you come back down. Physics, that's the answer. So I need to get up in the air as high as I can. If I break that into 3 problems, I need to get up in the air, I need to turn, and I need to come back down. So gravity is the force that's going to pull me back down. So I need to generate some force upwards to get me as high as possible before I spin. So I can generate a force with my legs. I can generate some force with my body. And I can generate some force with my arms. And if I time it right, I should be able to add them all together to get me as high as possible. Okay, hopefully that looked pretty good. But I can only jump so high. What happens if I don't get around in time? I'm gonna land on my head. So I need to turn as fast as possible. Right, so I need to generate a force to start me turning with my legs and my arms. But how do I make myself turn faster? Have you ever been on a carousel? Those little merry-go-round things at the playground? And you're spinning, and then you pull yourself in and you turn way faster? I think that's the principle we're going to use here. So if I try this, I generate some force with my arms. I don't spin so fast. But if I generate a force and I pull my arms in, I'll turn way faster. Well, why is that? So I've generated a force that gives my arms some momentum, traveling in a big circle. But then I pull them in, they have a smaller circle to travel around, so they'll travel faster since they have the same momentum. And one last thing. I'm going to generate a force to turn myself this way, so I'm going to turn around this point. So if I raise my turning point as high as possible, then I'll have more time before I fall. So how about I start at a height? Add the forces together to get as high as possible. Tuck tight to spin fast and start at a height. Let's give it a go. I'll use this wall. And that's the physics of a backflip.